between Toledo. Traveling. Chance ninyo, Española Clan, to make a basket. Thank you sa Red Cross 143, kay Matet at kay Auntie Melanie Bautista. Thank you sa inyong service sa atong napahampang. Jump ball. 11-second shot clock. JST, 11 seconds. Eight seconds. 3 points, Alvarez. 55-42. Española. Kauluban. Shoot, baby. Shoot a baby. Baby Soriano. Earth now, 8 minutes and 14 seconds. Pulling down, bang. Exactly 8 minutes remaining time. Alvarez. Alvarez again, 10 seconds. Last goal, 5. 3 points mula kay Maestre. Number 18. 60-44. Kulindon. 7 minutes, 19 seconds remaining time. Alvarez. 14-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Last goal, 5 seconds. Rebound by Guevara. Foul Alvarez, number 15, blocking foul. Third personal foul Alvarez, and also the first team foul JST. Let it ever in my arms. Guevara. 4 seconds. Center, I believe we're never. Alvarez. 10-second shot clock. Soriano, pass to Master. Like pass. Oh, there is now. Kulindon, go, 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 Kulindon! Foul, number 15. Alvarez. Timeout, Española Clan. Remaining time to finish our fourth quarter is 6 minutes and 11 seconds. 60-44 is our score. That is in favor of the team JSC. Cha-cha! Bang, bang. Kulindon. 6 minutes remaining time. Timaho. Counted foul from number 10. Gregorio, that's one of yours. Fourth personal foul, Gregorio. Alvarez, number 15. Alvarez, number 15 of JST, apat din ang iyong personal foul. Kaya mag-ingat sa pagmamaneo. Two, maestri. 14-second shot clock. Foul pa si Espanola, number 9. Third personal foul, Espanola. 3 team fouls, Espanola Klein. Managed by Butch Espanola. Bola na. Espanola. Espanola. Four minutes, 55 seconds remaining time. Hi! Baby, you're anything good in my life. 8-second shot clock. Basket from Maestri. 65-44. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. Second shot clock. 10. Last call. Okay, basket. 67-44, Colindon for 3 points. 3 points from Colindon. Hey! 20. Three minutes, 5 seconds. Basket from number 5, Basister. Foul, Caliso, number 11, substitution. Sabron. Time out. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. 69-47. I want to know. 71-47. There is no kahulugan. How do I leave Gadores? Okay, thank you so much. And nag-concede na ang Espanola clan that they are really receiving their loss against JST Stainless. 71-47 is our score official. Thank you so much. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod pa nating mga laro next year. Ito ang unit going to go. Francis Baracalaubok lagi nagsasabi sa basketball, skills, ability, and talent wins the game. But teamwork wins the championship.